A horrifying accident has claimed at least 2 lives after a car belonging to ZANU-PF Mashonaland West chairperson Tapiwa Masenda was involved in a head-on collision with a Zupco bus just before entering Shavani. Zabeda mashoko ichitiko chinoshamisa choitika aiwa kubhavhate remutungamiri wenyika yeZimbabwe Masodamzo Mnangagwa chiitiko chavhundutsa vanhu raise ma speculations. If subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Tipina muna umubenga kwa mchinzi. The crash occurred barely 24 hours after Masenda chaired a volatile inter-district meeting where his leadership announced support for President Emmerson Mnangagwa's presidency extension to 2030, triggering outrage from party youths who demanded land allocation first. The vehicle, leading to controversial businessman Mnangagwa, known for rewarding loyalists with expensive cars, was left mangled beyond recognition. Photos from the scene show a luxury white double cab crushed to scrap metal with the ZANU-PF flag wedged in the wreckage. According to ZVAITWA investigation, one woman identified only as Zinogu died instantly. A second female passenger died shortly after being rushed to hospital. Several others were critically injured. Masenda was reportedly not in the vehicle at the time. His current condition and whereabouts remain unclear. This crash follows disturbing statements made by Masenda just months ago when he threatened Vice President Nkosazana, alleging internal power wrangles and even suggested he be poisoned using crocodile milk. Mashoko ari kuitika panguva ino avo anyatsokuonekwa kunzi these events ava they are politically linked. Zviitiko zvichionekwa kunzi aiwa this Mashonaland West chairperson Tapiwa Masenda panguva ino anga ari munhu akanga ari involved aiwa mupolitics dzaipisa, and panguva ine chiriko chiitika chanatsoratidza kuti aiwa vakomana musatamba aiwa nematongerwo enyika, musatamba nepolitics zvekudaro. Mbodzai mafungiro enyu mutidei pamusoro pechiriko ichi. Apena comment section medu mafungiro enyu. So subscribe or like, chit on the bell icon.